During the week under review, troops of Operation Hiding Kai recorded significant successes. From 6 to 11 June 2025, with significant number of terrorists comprising adult males, adult females, as well as children, surrendered to troops as operational tempo heightens up. Between 6 to 10 June as well, the troops, in conjunction with security agencies and hybrid forces, conducted offensive operations in Goza, Ngala, and Marte local government areas of Borno State, as well as Bade and Gujima local government areas of Yobe State. During these operations, some terrorists were eliminated, while one drug peddler was arrested as well. Also, 3 kidnapped victims were rescued. The troops also recovered arms and ammunition, as well as improvised explosive devices making materials. Motorcycles, vehicles, among others, were also recovered. Terrorist camp and equipment were burnt in situ. The troops also arrested 5 terrorist logistics suppliers, collaborators, and a Chinese national claiming to be a miner during a well-coordinated operations conducted in Kukawa and Gala local government areas of Borno State, as well as Gaidam local government area of Yobe State between 5 to 7 June 2025. Amongst the items recovered were vehicles, motorcycles, mobile phones, Chinese international passport, with the sum of 10,000 naira recovered from them. The troops also responded to information about terrorist activities in Goza and Abadan local government areas of Borno State, as well as Nangere local government areas of Yobe State between 6 to 9 June 2025. During these encounters, the troops killed some terrorists and rescued 3 kidnapped victims. Some weapons and ammunition were recovered from them as well, while their camp and equipment were burnt in situ.